ibinahagi ni Philippine Sports Commission Chairman Richard Bachman ang nakalatag na programa at pasilidad ng kanilang isasagawa ngayong taong 2025. Para sa mga detalye, narito ang report ni teammate Paolo Salamatin.
Balik trabaho na muli ang Philippine Sports Commission sa kanilang magiging abalang taon na kung saan kaliwat kanang proyekto at programa ang nakatakda nilang isagawa at tapusin ngayong 2025. Ilan sa kanilang mga tinututukan ngayong taon ay ang pagpapaganda ng kanilang mga infrastruktura, kabilang ang renovation ng kanilang mga dormitoryo sa PhilSports Complex sa Pasig City, renovasyon ng Rizal Baseball Stadium, 12 palapag na multipurpose facility at ang ipinapatayong 7-story facility na magsisilbing dormitoryo ng mga atletang nakadestino sa Rizal Memorial Sports Complex sa Maynila. Sa naganap na PSC Hour, sinabi ni PSC Chairman Richard Bachman na sinisigurado nilang ipagpapatuloy ang mga nasimulan noong nakarang taon ang pagpapagawa ng mga nabanggit na proyekto ngayong 2025.
We started late last year yun sa facilities. If you remember, yung Pencaxilat and boxing was torn down and we finished the foundation and we're building a 7-story building. Yun sa, if you visited PSC lately, yun sa baseball, the gallery is being broken down and retrofit. And then slowly we'll be actually with our partnership with DPWH will be fixing the dormitories of PhilSports already.
Yes.
So we will continue this also for 2025 po.
Maliban pa sa pagpapatayo ng mga pasilidad, nais rin ni Bachman na siguruhin ang kalidad ng bawat ipinapatayong gusali at pag-maintain ng kaayusan nito na inaasahang tatagal ang mahabang panahon.
One thing I want to ensure also, mahirap din to actually lobby for funding for all these projects and improvements of PSC na wala tayong maintenance programs to maintain all these facilities. So I'm making sure that PSC employees in charge of all the venues, that we need a new maintenance program to maintain all these facilities. If we do have to get a foreign corporation to teach us, then by so be it. We will actually have them come over and train our local venue managers to maintain the proper facilities. Kasi sayang din yung pera na ginagastos para sa mga facility.
Ibinahagi rin ni Bachman ang mga local at international competitions na kanilang susuportahan at isasagawa ngayong taon.
So my first agenda would be the Asian Winter Games. So that's coming next month, Feb 6 to 14 yata. So we are coordinating with the POC already. We formed a technical committee that can handle this event. Si Richard Lim yata yung chef de mission.
Yes.
So we are in constant communication with them. And then we also have the Southeast Asian Games, December. So we are also formed a technical working group that can handle this event as well. Now I've been in constant contact with Sir Tatsu Sara of FIVB. So we actually have a meeting with the committee, Jan 10, to actually plan for already the FIVB. That's 10 months, I think 9 months or 10 months to go.
Yes.
And then we also have a lot of, we have gymnastics, futsal, and weightlifting that we're still checking if pumasok sa budget natin for this year. And then once na we find out kung meron o wala, then PSC will also continue to help the NSA to ask to get more funding for their event po.
Samantala, nakatakda ring ipagdiwang ng PSC sa darating na ika-24 na Enero ang ika-35 taong pagseserbisyo ng kanilang ahensya sa mga Pilipinong atleta. Paolo Salamatin para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.